Chugga chugga choo choo, hear the train. Rhyme with words, let's use our brain. Cat and hat, bat and mat. Grab your ticket, imagine that. All aboard the rhyme train's here. Words that rhyme are crystal clear. Hop aboard, let's take a ride. Rhyme with us, side by side. Fox in socks, rocks in a box. Mouse in a house, clocks that tick-tock. Words that rhyme, they sound the same. Keep on rhyming, it's part of the game. All aboard the rhyme train's here. Words that rhyme are crystal clear. From start to end, let's take a ride. Rhyme with us, side by side. Clap your hands to the rhyming beat. Stomp your feet to the chugging street. Words connect like a railroad track. When you rhyme, there's no looking back. Boat on a moat, goat with the coat. Chairs and stairs, a kite that floats. The rhyme train's going, the rhythm's strong. Jump aboard and sing along. Chugga chugga choo choo, we've reached the end. But rhyming words will always be your friend. Hop back soon, we'll rhyme once more. The rhyme train's waiting, let's explore. All aboard the rhyme train's here. Words that rhyme are crystal clear. From start to end, let's take a ride. Rhyme with us, side by side. Clap your hands to the rhyming beat. Stomp your feet to the chugging street. Words connect like a railroad track. When you rhyme, there's no looking back. Boat on a moat, goat with the coat. Chairs and stairs, a kite that floats. The rhyme train's going, the rhythm's strong. Jump aboard and sing along. Chugga chugga choo choo, we've reached the end. But rhyming words will always be your friend. Hop back soon, we'll rhyme once more. The rhyme train's waiting, let's explore.